It is a Thursday morning on the 4th day of February 2021. It is the day that the ICC has set to deliver its verdict on the trial of Dominic Ongwen, a former LRA commander accused of war crimes and crimes against humanity. The trial, which commenced in 2015 following his surrender in 2014, saw him charged on 70 counts, and over 4,000 victims participated in the case. Here in Gulu City, the epicenter of the war, residents have mixed feelings.
Ange wan weng actually down to a toy carmen weng chinyo ben tika chue eto wa komsa nung chinwa wa dwa
an kirana neno kere aneno wachini kepedak bal madok inoro bal dok ditu twal umier gitime kija
dano gere balo be po bero mirene tamatini kano lare kitime kija kigonye udukpajo.
At St. Monica Girls Tailoring School, a local NGO is helping residents make sense of the proceedings in The Hague.
Kipidi kome ibal maluka ke orto moy bikom rea mati kem gam ke rea mati IDP camps.
After more than 2 hours of deliberations, Ongwen was convicted on 61 counts, including murder and attempted murder, rape, sexual slavery, forced marriage, torture, enslavement, outrage upon personal dignity, conscription, and use of children under the age of 15 to participate actively in hostilities, destruction of property, and persecution.
It has been a very involved and informative process in that it allows the victims' community and the conflict-affected communities to follow the process from the beginning up to today that the ruling was made. Their participation has made them to understand this court process and also to give their opinion in the process of the trial through the outreach office of the ICC in Kampala.
I heard everything they have done now. They have changed it all to Dominic, which is not good, and I don't know where those people got most of the information. I stayed in brigade called Senior.
Like my younger brother, who was even taken by the LRA, Ongwen was also taken, as just like any other child.
61 is a bigger percentage out of the 70. Yeah, and the things was not just put from nowhere. They came, I remember it started in 2015, they would display, they want evidence from people. I believe he deserves them because there were evidence that he did those things. And if you've done something wrong, we don't need to just keep quiet about it. Something has to be done so that in the future, people will not continue doing the same thing.
At Lukodi village, a place where the LRA, under the command of Dominic Ongwen, attacked an IDP camp and killed over 40 civilians, shooting and burning some alive, the verdict was a delightful news, as they recalled the dreadful incident.
Maka dana ki wayo at ka cha dana big. Lutena nye lutena matena rio ki migi ya chiel we adere ki lu atwa ki kwani ki chiar ke deko ki yara mono a big at kanyu.
While victims feel justice has been served through the conviction of Ongwen, they feel reparations will somehow better their lives and call upon the court to follow through on this demand.
Kimina limdo ka lim ene ka mi ma ki bebe olo ara ram gendo. Olo ara mo wa ye will deal ko.
I am very sure the court is going to come out with a reparation program. And that is what victims have been waiting for. That is what is going to rehabilitate the victims' community from their economic loss, from their medical loss, from their psychosocial loss. And that is what I am hopeful, and I believe with such kind of pronouncement of reparation program, justice is going to prevail in Acholi land.
As the world awaits the sentencing of Dominic Ongwen, the victims are waiting for reparation in form of compensation that will directly benefit them, especially for the most vulnerable, like these old women.